tell mommy. Give me medicine. No.
What do you want?
Some more medicine?
Why do you want medicine?
Because I got a cough.
I didn't hear you cough. Oh.